So hello everyone, and I am Slesha back here on my channel, and today I want to tell you that I have updated my PC to Windows 11, the latest version of Windows. So as you can see, its start bar has changed, and the start button is also completely changed. It has many new updates. I have not used it much yet till now, but yes, I have updated it just now only. These are some of the new icons. So first of all, let's go to our settings and see about our latest version. What is it all about? So here, as you can see, my latest edition is Windows 11, and my previous was Windows 10, and it was a 64-bit. So if your PC is also 64-bit, you can also have Windows 11, the latest version. It is absolutely free. So you will have commands. They will automatically give you commands to download or install the latest version. You just need to restart. I just restarted my PC maybe 2 to 3 times, and it was restarted, and successfully I got the new version of Windows 11. In case of any doubts, if you want to ask me anything about it, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to see that how I did it, that also you can ask in the comments. And that's all for today. And thanks for watching.